How to make a simple origami boat. Take A4 size sheet. Hold the top right corner of the paper and fold it towards the lower left side. Cut the remaining section using hand or scissors. Unfold the paper. Fold the paper in half from top to bottom. Fold it in half again. Arrange your paper in diamond shape. Fold up one corner, aligning it with the top corner. Flip the paper. Do the same thing on the other side. Open the bottom of your triangle with your fingers to turn it to a square again. Crease the paper along its edges. From top, pull the two sides apart. Crease the bottom of the folded out sides. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Boat is ready to float. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you next week.